Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the Microsoft Excel. This is the unit 2 or for class 8. The name of the chapter is Working in Microsoft Excel. Working in Microsoft Excel. In this chapter we will discuss about the first one is working with Sheet tab. In second one is name, naming a range formula, cell reference, entering a formula, copy a formula, copy a formula, error, and the related question with the Microsoft Excel. Here is the question. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So first topic is working with Sheet tab. So firstly we will see what is Sheet and what is Microsoft Excel and how will we open. So firstly everyone go to the search bar. This is the search button and type Microsoft Microsoft Excel. Here when I am typing Microsoft Excel, this is the Microsoft Excel 2010. Here click this button. Here this is the Microsoft Excel starting here. So this one is the sheet of workbook of Microsoft Excel. This is called workbook. In this workbook there is a one boxes here. Here this is the boxes. In this boxes this is called cell. This is a called cell. This is a cell. Here is a cell. There is a cell and A, B, C, D. This is the column of this Excel sheet and 1, 2, 3. These are the row of Excel sheet. So firstly, what is our topic? The topic is that first one is inserting a new worksheet and the question number 1 is what is worksheet? Write the step to insert a new worksheet in a workbook. So this first topic is our first question. So let's discuss how we can insert a new file. So firstly go to the bottom of the page, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and this is the tab for the new worksheet. So you have to click in the new worksheet tab. You have to click here, right click. When I am clicking when I am right clicking of this tab, this sheet or this sheet, here I am clicking sheet 1 here. Then there is a one pop-up box. Here is the first one is insert. So you have to click a insert button. After clicking a insert button, there is a one again option is there. First one is journal and the split set solution. You have to click in journal and worksheet. After clicking a journal, worksheet and click the OK button. When you clicking OK button, there is a new worksheet, that is sheet 4. Here this is the sheet 4. This is the new worksheet appear in a workbook. This is sheet 4. The second topic is renaming a worksheet. Renaming a worksheet. Let's see how we can rename our worksheet. There is a new sheet, that is sheet 4. You have to rename this sheet 4. So you can right click, and after clicking a right, there is a one is insert, delete and rename. This is the rename button. You have to left click on the rename button. When you are clicking rename button, there is a one black, that means you have to press the delete button. After deleting button, there is an option to type any name. Suppose I want to type a name table. So this is the table. So this is the table. The name of sheet 4 convert into the table. So next one is delete a worksheet. Delete a worksheet. Here question number 2 is write the step to delete a worksheet. So question number 2 and the delete a worksheet here. So let's go to the Excel page. How we can, this is a table. We have to suppose we have to delete a sheet 1. So click a sheet 1, that is right click a sheet 1, that is one button is delete button. So you have to click delete button. After clicking a delete button, there is a one pop-up box, that is data may exist in the sheet S. Selected for deletion. To permanently delete the data, press delete. It is asking for you really want to delete the sheet. Yes, We have to want to delete the sheet, so click a delete button. After clicking here, sheet 1 is deleted. Table, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Sheet 1 is deleted. So the next topic is range. Range, what is range? Range, that means the excel, in a excel there is a range. Suppose first you have to select the range, click anywhere in the cell. Suppose I want to click here, and after clicking press that type, click and drag. Firstly click here or click here and drag with the mouse pointer. After dragging, this is called range, and this range are selected. If you want to naming a range, if you want to name the range, select the this is the range. So you have to right click on that range. After clicking a right click, there is a define name option. Here it is a define name option. You have to click in define name. After define name, there is a name, so we have to name that is a data. The name of that range, I am putting the data. So this is the range, that is name is data. After data, putting a data, you have to click the OK button. After clicking on OK button, this range is selected, and the name of this range is data. So next, the second one is that second topic, let's we discuss naming a range is also completed. Next one is formula. Formula, what is formula? And here what is formula, explain with the help of example. So let's we discuss about the question number 4, formula with an example. So here, this is the excel sheet. Suppose firstly we write any data 56 9. This is the data. This is the data. I am putting any random data. After that, you want to add this all data. You want to add this data. So after adding a data, you have to put the equal to sign. Equal to sign. For applying any formula, firstly you have to put a equal to sign. After putting a equal to sign, you want to add all this data. All this data. So we have to click. If you want to select the this data or add this data, you have to click here and drag here. This is the range that are selected, but I am not using this type. I am using A1. This is the A2. This is the A2, equal to sign A2. After press a add, then 57, that is A3. After plus sign, then click this one, then plus sign, then click this one, then again plus sign, and then click. After that, you have to press a enter button. After pressing a enter button, this is the value, this is the value, this is the sum of this number, this is the sum of this number. This is the formula. This is the formula for adding this value. Next, we have to move to the next topic. Our next topic is that cell reference. Cell reference. The cell reference, that means the cell reference divided into 3 types, or it is consumed in 3 types. Here the question is also that what is cell reference? Explain its different type. Explain its different type. So here is a 3 different type. First one is relative cell reference, second one is absolute cell reference, and the third one is mixed cell reference. These are the types of cell reference. So in Excel, let's see what is cell reference. So firstly, the cell reference is that relative cell reference. When I am clicking here, suppose equal to sign. Here, equal to sign. After clicking equal to sign, when I am click here, A1, after that this one, this is the reference, this is the relative cell reference. When I am clicking here, this is the relative cell reference. This is the relative cell reference by using the mouse pointer. This after enter button, I am using the cell reference. Next one is absolute cell. What is absolute cell? Absolute cell, that means suppose I am again put equal to sign. For applying any formula, you have to firstly put a equal to sign. So we use this one. After that, suppose you want to add, so press add button. After that, put a dollar sign. Put a dollar sign. Dollar sign, this is the syntax of absolute cell reference, and this is the when we create a absolute cell reference, dollar sign. Then what is the name of this value? 57. The name of this value is A3. Here A3, the 57, the address of 57 is A3. So write, type A. Again we have to put dollar sign and 3. This is the absolute cell reference. This is the absolute cell reference. This is the absolute cell reference, and press the enter button. So 113 is the addition of this two number. This two number. This two number we add and get the result of 113, and this is the absolute cell reference. Next is the mixed cell reference. Suppose we want to use mixed cell reference. Again press a equal to sign, because equal to sign is applied for the any formula. Then mixed cell reference is the combination of the relative cell reference and absolute cell reference. So firstly put relative cell reference. Relative cell reference, that means press anywhere in that value, that is called a relative. Suppose I am pressing that value, that is A2, this is the relative. After that you have to add this number, that is 54. So we use a again dollar sign. Again dollar sign. After that, this value, this is A5. So press here A5. After clicking, this is the reference. This is the relative cell reference. This is the relative cell reference, and this is the absolute cell reference. The combination of relative cell reference and the absolute cell reference, that is called the mixed cell reference, and answer of this two number is 110. This is the mixed cell reference. Next topic is entering a formula. How we can enter and what is the type of entering a formula? There is two type of entering any formula. First one is by keyboard, or second one is by mouse. Suppose we put equal to sign. So first one we have to see by using mouse. By using a mouse, we put a equal to sign. After that, click on the place of value, then plus, then plus, then plus, then again. After enter, this is the value that is entering by a mouse. Next one is by typing a keyboard. Next one is by typing a keyboard. By using a keyboard, press equal to sign and write the name of this value. The name of this value is A2. So we have to write A2. Then put a plus sign. Then 57. The value of 57, the address of 57 is A3. Then again plus and the 54, that is A5, and press the enter button. This is the two-way. This is the two-way. Result are same. This is the two-way to entering a formula. First one is by clicking a mouse. Second one is by keyboard. They are nothing different in the result. Next, we have to move the next topic. Next topic is there. Copy a formula. Copy a formula, that means how we can copy our formula for the other purpose. Suppose here firstly we delete all the thing. Suppose 34, 37, 90. This is the data. How we can copy? Firstly, this is a column to add this to number. data 1, second one is data 2, third one is total. So add this two number data 1, data 2 and put it into the total value. Suppose equal to sign, press this one and again press this one and press enter sign. 124 is the sum of these two data 1 and data 2, data 1 and data 2. How we can use the same formula? This is the formula. How we can use the same formula in the all the column? So just click here and select this one, and after selecting click the right button, and here is a copy one. After copying a formula you have to put here and press the wait button. Here copy. After copy we have to here put control V. This is the value. This is the data here 124, 124. Why with two value are same? Because here A2 plus B2. A2 A2 plus B2, that means there 34 and 90. The sum of 34 and 90 is 124. Here also we use the same formula 34 plus 90. That's why this value are same. If you want to add value, if you want to add this two value 78 plus 78, so firstly you click in 124, and when here is a plus sign, so click here the corner of this box and drag up to the bottom. After dragging there is a value 156, 132, 102 and 90. This is the 156 is the sum of these two value, and this 45 and 87 is 132, and 34 plus 68 is 102, and 23 plus 67, that is 90. This is the way to copying a formula. This is the way to copying a formula. I am again clearing. So firstly click a press a equal to button. After pressing a equal to button you have to click here, then press a plus sign, then here click, then enter. This is the value. So click in 124, and after when here is the plus sign, this is the plus sign. There are two type of plus sign. Here is the one plus sign, that means entering a cell, and second one is this plus sign. When this plus sign is come, you have to click on that point and drag up to the bottom. This is the way to copy the formula. Next we discuss about the error. Next we discuss about the error. Here also question number 6, what is error? List some error in Excel. So we have to clear that different type of error. So here suppose delete this value. Here we write A. Here we write B, C, D, E. So this is the data 3. Now we have to total this value. Total this value data 1, data 2 and data 3. So again we use the equal to sign. After equal to sign press this value and press addition button, press this value and again press addition button and again this value and press the enter button. Oh, what is occur? There is a one error. What is the error? Error is that has value not. That means we can't add this three value. We can't add this three value because why we not? Because a value here is a one comment. A value used in formula is of a wrong data type. Wrong data type because this two value is an integer type or in a number format, but this value is a alphabet. We can't add this three value. So let's use for the next one. What is the answer of that? Oh, all are same because here also a alphabet. Let's we change this value with the number. What is the output? Oh, really? The output is 124 because here all are the same value, that means all are number. But in this case, these two are number and one is alphabet. So this is a one type of error. This is called one type of error. Second error is that suppose here the data 1 is 0. Delete this, delete also, it's 0. So here equal to this. When we divide this two number, data 1 divided by data 2, so put a divide sign and data 2. Here data 1 divide by data 2. The data 2 is 0 and press the enter button. Oh, this is one more error. The error is that has divide by 0 not. That means you can't divide any number by 0. You can't divide any number by 0. So this is the error. Let's we check the other number. 78, that means this divide by this value and press the enter button. So what is the result? Again the result is same. Divide not by 0 not. That means you can't divide any number by 0. So let's use divide by this number. So again press equal to sign and use this divide by this and press the enter button. Here is the result because this both are number and no one is 0. So this is the second type of error. This is the last topic of our chapters. This is the last topic of our chapter, that is error. In the chapter 2 we discuss about the how we can insert a new worksheet, renaming a worksheet, deleting a worksheet, naming a range formula, and the relative cell reference, absolute cell reference, mixed cell reference, entering a formula, copying a formula, and error. So next we show something in a Excel. This is firstly, this is a called this one. Here this is the table sheet 1. Let's delete this is the table sheet 2, sheet 3. This is the called insert worksheet tab. This is the called insert worksheet tab because by this one you can insert a new sheet. You can insert a new sheet. This is the insert working tab. Next one, this one is called, this one is, by using this one you can insert a new sheet. This is the sheet tab. This is the sheet tab. By using this you can insert a new sheet. Again new sheet, new sheet. After clicking there is a how many sheets are appear. Next one is, this is the option of cut. This is the cut option. This is the cut option. And this is the copy. By using you can copy this option. And this one is delete. This one is delete button. This is the delete button. Here also this one is delete button. So this is the last of the chapter. This is the completed. So this is the copy of formula, error, and the question answer. So next we move to the exercise of this chapter.
Here is the exercise of chapter 2. First question is that a dash contains cell organized in the form of row and column. The cell content organized in the row or column. In a worksheet, everyone knows this is the cell, this is the cell, and this is the called worksheet. Worksheet. So the answer of this one is worksheet. Second, the dash group of home tab is used to copy paste formula in Excel, that is called clipboard. Second one is clipboard. Next one is a formula with dash cell reference. Change as you copy it from a one cell to another cell, that is a relative cell reference or relative. Next question is that here the range from a cell A1 to D1, the range of cell. The range in the practical section I am already discussed about the range. Range, that means A1 colon. By using a colon we can discuss about the range by using a colon. This is the D7. This is the range of A1 to D7. So the correct answer is that A1 to D7. Next one is an error display by Excel begin with the dash sign. The every error of begin with the hash sign. So this is the answer. Next one is match the following. Match the following. In the last of the practical section, I am discuss about the this is the what is this? This is the sheet tab. This is the sheet tab. This is the sheet tab. This is the cut button. This is the cut button. This is the cut button second, and this is the copy button. This is the delete button, and by using this is a star. By using this, insert a new sheet tab. In the practical section, last I am discussing the match the following. That is the how where is the this button in the Excel. So next we will discuss about the question answer. Here is that question answer. First one is what is worksheet? Write a step to insert a new worksheet in the workbook. This one is I am discussing in the practical section how we can insert a new worksheet. The definition is that a worksheet contains a cell organized in the form of row and column. Second question I am already discussed in the video. Deleting a worksheet. Third one is what is range? Write the step to name of a range in a worksheet or answer. Next one is naming the range. There is the naming of the range. Next one is fourth one is what is formula? Explain with the help of example. Here is the formula and here is the example. You can put any number in the place of this number. You can use any number. 496 is just an example. You can take any other number and also take another sign. That I am using plus and multiplication and plus, minus or multiplication sign. You also use the division sign. Next one is cell reference and explain with its example. Explain with its example. Or different type. The cell reference, cell address, and the three types of cell referencing is relative, absolute, or mixed cell reference. Relative, absolute, or mixed cell reference. Next question is that question number 6 is here what is an error? List of the some error in the Excel. The error is that here is the error, and this is the divide by 0 error. Second error is column not void. Column not void matlab that means he is not taking the value too much. Next one is has value. If value does not recognize, has reference that means invalid cell reference. Invalid cell reference that means that cell not contained in a Excel. Next one is this is the complete of the following table. This is the exercise in your book. Here is the error. This is given in the book and description, and this is the example. This is the divide by 0 error, has error, and the value error. Value that means value when the Excel does not recognize the value. Example 45 plus name, because this is a number and this is the alphabet. Here second one is has. When I am putting the wrong value, this is the wrong method. Here is a Monday, April 15, 2020. This is the date format, date. This is the wrong format of date. Next one is division by 0. You can take any number and divide by 0. This is the exercise of the chapter 2 class 8. Thank you for watching this. And for the previous one, chapter 1 video, you can subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. Thank you.